Okay, thank you and welcome back to Program with C++. Today we are going to look at conditional statements and then today we are looking at the switch statement. So we see that the switch statement evaluates an expression and executes the block of code corresponding to the matching case. So let's look at this here. Let's look at a quick example here. So here, this is the syntax for the switch statement. So we have switch, then the expression that is to be evaluated here, then followed by curly bracket. Then in the curly bracket we have the cases. So this here, this checks, and then if it corresponds to the expression here, it executes. Then kind of leaves the rest. But if this doesn't fail, this doesn't work, it uses the break statement here to prevent the fall through to the next case, therefore treating all these cases separate from each other. So then it moves to the next, checks for this case too. Does it correspond to the expression here? If it does, that's the case. If it doesn't, it moves on to the next. So we can have multiple number of cases here, multiple number of cases as much as we want here. Okay, so then it gets back to the default. The default is when the cases, there is no case that corresponds to this expression. So if all this here, middle of this corresponds to this expression here, the default is what it executes. Yeah, so that is what it does. So let's practice something. So we are back to our dev C++ compiler. Let's create a source file. Okay, so let's gonna include processor directory, so include iCodeString. Listen, the spacing is gonna like some processed. Get it bracket. Let's do it in. Okay, so I'm looking at switch statement. Okay, let me multi-line comment since I'll be doing what I'm not in here. So that switch statements. Jeez. False. Make it in. Yeah, that case. The last case, I was just somewhat tired to start. So we'll end this. Sorry. Okay, let's end this here. Okay. So we said that the switch statement evaluates if a case corresponds with the expression and executes the instructions of the case. So let's look at a simple example here. In this example, we are going to look at a program that uses a switch statement to print a message based on the value of the grade. So let's start here. Let's declare a variable of type character. Let's say grade, which equals in. Then we said that the syntax is the switch. Okay, so the switch, then the expression is grade here. So you're calling the expression grade. So expression and followed by curly bracket. So after the curly bracket, check for the first case. The first case is case A. So let's see case A. The second thing checks for this. Let's say cout. Science. So insert.
And line.
Bang. Reach. If we got QST, say case. What that case be? So let's say case car so Kimps. Let me get rid of this. So let's say case actively. Text for this case saying let's say you that. This one showing with sincere. So B with say or that it's say B or so let's say very good. So let's see order. Wait. Excellent estimate to the risk messages. C. So C pounds. C ounce.
And then I got the thing.
Check. Kick new shit. And line. Then wait. So let's take the last case. Say case T. You say C out. So let's see. Past. And let's look at let's wait. Let's look at the default. See default C out. So don't. Just say let's say in like wait and it. In you know let's enter. What's the C? Okay, the bracket is already. So let's execute. Let's compile and run. Let's see what happens. So let's say source. Okay. And a set up sorry. I'll handshake.
That's the even things, but
Okay, so it says well there. So let's look at what is happening here. So in this example, we basically stated that the program uses a switch statement to print a message based on the value of the grade variable. So first, we declare the variable of type grade, which equals B. Then you follow up with the switch statement. So switch, then the expression here. So the expression here was the variable grade. Then you open a curly bracket. So in case one, you say that if the character or if the expression, the value of the expression here is A, it's supposed to print out excellent. Then you break, then we go out to case B. So after evaluating, I think you realize that the case it had here. So let's use B. The B here was supposed to print out the well done. So after evaluating, we had well done. So let's for balance we had well done. So let's try for value A. Let's see what happens. A goes for excellent. So you could see that It goes excellent here. Let's try for D, C. Okay, we said C++ is case sensitive. So let's try for D says you pass. Let's see. Okay, so this is passed. Okay, let's try for a small d. Let's see what happens with that. Says invalid grade. Since C++ is case sensitive as such, a capital D is not the same as a small d. Yeah. So that is an example for switch statement. Like if you're